Okay, so how to make a call? To make a call, you just dial out, no leading zero, so you dial the number 021 2000 500. There's three ways you can actually press the send key. So you can either press hash, the OK button, or the send button. I generally press OK button or the hash key.
Welcome
And that's
to
it.
Euphoria.
To end the call, you either pick up the receiver or end the call there. Done. And then also when you're making a call, how to put the call on hold. So let's go 021 2000 500 hash.
Welcome
So how
to
to put the
Euphoria.
call on hold, you just press the hold key over here. So in the background, the client will be hearing hold music. And then in order to do a transfer, there's two ways you can transfer a call. You can either transfer a call via a blind transfer or an attended transfer. So the first method I'm going to show you is the blind transfer. That's when you just put the call through without speaking to the person. So let's just go 021 2000 500 hash.
Welcome to Euphoria.
So I'm going to transfer the call by pressing Tron over there. Dial the extension number you want to transfer to, and then say Tron again. That's the blind transfer. So there the other phone rings now. I'm just going to end that call. And then in order to do an attended transfer, same process as the blind transfer, except you add the hash key. So I'll show you that now. So we dial out 021 2000 500.
Welcome to
So
Euphoria.
the call has been answered. I want to transfer this call via an attended transfer, right? And speak to the person first. So I'm going to dial Tron, dial the extension number, and press hash first. So now I'm making a call to this person. So this person answers, speak to him, I tell him I've got Euphoria on the line, and then I press transfer again. And that's it. So to recap, to make a call, you dial the number, press hash, OK or send, and then to put the call on hold, while you're in the call, you just press this hold button that comes up on the screen. And then to do a blind transfer is Tron, extension number, Tron again. To do an attended transfer, you go Tron, dial the extension number, hash first to speak to them, because essentially you're making a call to them. And then you press the Tron button again once they say, okay, you can put the call through. Then to do a three-way conference call, I'm just going to call another extension. Okay, so I'm on the phone with this person now, and in order to conference call like an external number or another extension, just dial the conf key, and then dial the other extension. So let's say 021 2000 500 again, and then press hash to call that person.
Welcome
So then all I have to do then, once the third person is connected, I just say conf.
To speak with a sales representative,
So now all of us are busy on the call.
dial 1.
So let's just end that call. Then to activate the call forward, on our system we've got something called feature codes, which is basically shortcuts to the system. The feature code for your call forwards is star 72. So you're just going to dial star 72, press hash.
Please enter the extension you would like to forward, then press pound.
So this is the extension you're going to forward the calls from, right? So this is going to be 900 because this phone is on 900, and then hash.
Enter extension or phone number to forward to, then press pound.
So now I want to enter the extension 202, which is this codeless one over here. So 202 and then hash.
Unconditional call forwarding for extension 900 is set to 202.
That's it. So that call forward is immediately activated. When I call through to 900 now, extension 202 will receive the call. Then the next step is to cancel that forward, because if your receptionist or the person comes back to the desk, they want the calls to come back through to the extension again. You're just going to dial star 73. So star 73 hash.
extension, then press pound.
So the extension is 900 hash.
Unconditional call forwarding. 4, extension 900, cancelled.
Cool. That's it. So your call forwarding is now cancelled. The next thing that we need to do is browse through to your history. So in order to go there, you can either press up to go to whatever calls has been received, so it immediately goes to the all calls menu, or you can just go to history and it's the same thing. So the Yealink phones has a shortcut which is the up arrow key, and that will give you your missed calls and your recent calls basically. And then in order to increase or decrease your ringing volume while the phone is idle, so it's showing you your date and time, showing you your extension, there's no calls being made or received, you just increase this just like that. So this is your ringing volume. Then once you're satisfied with the volume, just press the X button and we'll stop. So if I were to call 900 and call, see, so it's in that call. So here's a missed call on this thing. In order to view that missed call, you just click that view button over there, and there it shows you all your missed calls. Then when you're busy on the call, so like this, let's say 202 call, 202 is going to answer. So if you want to increase the volume for the caller, so the caller is speaking and you can't really hear him, you just increase your volume there. So he will sound louder to you now, he or she will sound louder to you now basically. So I'm going to call to 900 now, right? These Yealink phones can have either the headset mode, or they can have the earpiece or the speaker. So if I call 900 like this, and I want to answer it on speaker, I just press the OK button, and I'm speaking to this person now via the phone's speaker or the hands-free key kind of thing. So it's in that call, and start this again. This time we're going to answer using the receiver. So it's just going to be 900. Okay, so now I'm going to answer via this. So when I answer with this receiver earpiece, the volume is traveling through this thing instead of the speaker of the phone. In this way, you can also switch between speaker mode and receiver mode by just pressing the speaker button. So now I'm on speaker with this person. In that call, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is how to answer it with headset mode, which is this button over here. So I'm going to dial 900 again. So headset. Now it's answering through this headset. The other thing with the headset is when you do activate the headset mode, you will see this icon changes over here, right? So if you press headset, changes to headset over here, and whenever you're making a call to this extension, it will ring as per normal, and then you can just press OK. So now you will be talking through the headset. So just to recap on that, if you're busy on the phone, and let's say you have your headset plugged in, your headset gets plugged in to the top key or the top input over here, right? So let's say you have your headset plugged in and the phone isn't working over the headset. You need to firstly press this headset button over there, and you will notice that it changes to an headset icon. So whenever calls come in or you're making calls, it will be made through this headset over here. Right? So it's just dial 021 2000. You will notice it's not going over speaker. That's because it's going through the headset now. So that's it. And then, like I said, you can switch at any time between these three modes just by pressing the speaker button or picking this up. That's how you switch between the modes. Then in order to access your voice messages, you will just need to dial *85 and press hash.
Password.
Your password is just your extension number.
You have no messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for advanced options.
So that's how you can check your messages if you don't have voicemail to email activated. You literally have your messages going through to your phone or to your extension, and you want it activated on your extension only, and it clogs up this phone, right? So let's say you want to record your unavailable message or a busy message. In order to do that, you can dial *85, because *85 is your mailbox, and then just press hash. Any feature code you dial, whether it's *85, *72, *73, you always press hash on this Yealink Deskphone. On the cordless handset, you will dial *85 and call, because the hash on the Deskphone or the OK on the Deskphone is just the call button basically. So you dial *85.
Password.
So your password again is 900, because this extension is 900.
You have no messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for advanced options. Press 0 for mailbox options.
So
Press
mailbox
star
options
for
is
help
where we want
or
to
pound
be.
to exit.
So let's go
Press
0.
1 to record your unavailable message. Press 2 to record your busy message. Press 3 to record your name. Press 4 to manage your temporary greeting.
And that's it. So just to recap, in order to activate your voicemail messages, in order to record a personalized voice message for your extension specifically, you dial *85, *85 and then hash. *85 is your voicemail box, as I've mentioned before, and basically you can check your messages, you can retrieve your voice messages that people left on your extension, or you can record your unavailable and busy messages. Those unavailable and busy messages stays the same. It doesn't change unless you decide to change it. And also, when I say for the voicemail box that your PIN number is your password as your extension number, that can be changed in the TMS, but by default we make it the extension number. And that's it. Thank you.